Welcome to Procedureflow's Art of the Flow series. This short video explains how change request notifications work in Procedureflow. On the top menu bar, to the right, there is a bell. When you receive a notification, there will be a red box with a number in it. A couple reasons why you may receive a change request notification are when someone assigns the change request to you, or when someone comments on a change request that was assigned to you at any point in time, even once it is completed. The comment may or may not require further action. When you click on the bell, a drop-down list will appear with your notifications from all entry points you are a member of. New notifications will be distinguished with a green line on the left-hand side. When you click on the notification you would like to view, you will be taken to the Overview tab of that change request container. You can now complete whatever tasks or reviews that may be needed in relation to this change request notification. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the other videos in the Art of the Flow series.